Alright guys, Colin here with Techout, and today is today is Saturday, December 14th, and I picked up this case earlier this morning here on eBay, an Otterbox Defender series for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and I don't know, maybe we're going to see where this goes. The case obviously isn't here yet. I'm starting this video now the day I ordered it. It was $21.99, so I didn't really do too much looking into the seller or anything like that. I just ordered it. But if we go back here and search S24 Ultra Otterbox, we have all these sponsored listings. And if you start scrolling, you might notice that that picture, that picture, that picture, that picture are all the same. And then there's some other listings here with a little bit different picture, but the same background. Well, the problem with that is this case is sold by one seller. This case is sold by another seller. And all these sellers have a couple things in common. They don't have very much feedback. They're all accounts between now and September. And if we go, this is the one I bought. So if we go to this one, for example, and we look here, we're going to go click on the seller and view the seller's other items. And they're just selling a couple random clothing items, a kilt and a shorts. But if you look, these are from Argentina, whereas this one is, the case itself claims that it's coming from, I believe, California, which is where my shipping label, my shipping label originated, because I do have the tracking number already. If we go down to this one, same deal. We click on this, seller's other items. This seller is selling a blue kilt. So they're all selling random clothing items with just very minimal low effort descriptions, low effort listings for those items. But then they have all these Otterbox cases that are supposedly brand new that they're selling very, very cheap. And one weird thing about this is it shows the case, brand new in the box, all that kind of stuff. It's listed as new, as brand new, unused, unopened, undamaged in the original packaging, where packaging is applicable, which this is applicable right there, And then, but if we go down here, we have some things that they added to the about this item, which are not in English, but it says new non-retail packaging. And then if we go down here, we see that there is no warranty, and they added a disclosure 2 saying these units have not been subject to Otterbox quality controls. Well, if it's a legit Otterbox case manufactured by Otterbox, it would be subject to their quality control. So I think we may have a counterfeit here. I think all these sellers may be selling counterfeit cases under multiple account names, probably in case one gets taken down, or just, maybe they're just trying to oversaturate the market here with these cheap counterfeit cases, because based on the thing, it looks like you're probably not going to get this box here that they show in the picture, which I think would probably be a violation of eBay policy to picture one thing and then give you something totally different if it's a new item that's supposed to be in the retail packaging. They have it kind of listed 2 different ways here. So we're going to see what we get when it gets here, and then we're going to see what we actually get. If we get something totally different, we're going to see what the seller says about it, if anything. And then, like I said, if it's totally, totally different, we'll have eBay step in and see where they stand and what we get, if they take our side, or if we get a refund or whatnot, if we get a counterfeit case. So I'll come back when the case gets here. All right, guys, it's a few days later, and the Otterbox case has arrived. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this and see if we got an actual Otterbox, a counterfeit, or got scammed. I haven't opened it yet. I just cut the side right here so we can get into it a little bit easier. But we're going to go ahead and take a look and see if we got a legit case. And it looks like we got a deal. So yep, I mean, it looks to be an official Otterbox case. It's in the box, which I wasn't expecting the packaging based on the seller's description, but it looks to be a legit Otterbox. I don't think anybody counterfeiting would go to this link to to replicate the packaging, especially in their their listing said it does not come in the retail packaging. It did come in the retail packaging, so quite surprised about that. It appears to be packaged just like a regular Otterbox. It's got all the branding on it and everything. So it looks like we just scored a deal on a cheap Otterbox. It's got the Drop Plus branding right in there. Yep, I'm going to go ahead and say this is real. Everything looks pretty legit. So, yep, I thought maybe we were going to get a fake one, but looks like it's not going to be that interesting. So we did end up getting an Otterbox Defender for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.